Hi there, it's Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're all well. Today's card is going to be super quick and easy. One quite small card, which I quickly did just purely because I haven't used this paper very much, and it's so pretty. It's pearlescent, as I'm sure the sun's picking up there. And I really wanted to make it the main focal point of a card, so let's crack on. It is you using the First Frost stamp set, as I'll be using the sentiment, but as I said, the main focus is going to be the paper that you can buy. So I've got a base of Whisper White, which is standard C6 size. I've got a mat of Basic Black, which measures 11.6 by 7.9, and the double-sided DSP measures 11.2 by 7.5. So all I'm going to do quickly is run my nail adhesive on the background. Can we just take a second look at that? I've got a plan for this side of the paper, which I'm really excited to do. Haven't made the card yet, but time is money after all. So quickly adhere that down. And I'm not going to use any dimensionals on this card. I'm just going to keep it slim and slender. So this could be a perfect card if you wanted to make a batch or a collection. I'm just going to eyeball it so it's to the upper part but in the centre, like so. Now for the sentiment, I'm using the wishing you the best, and so I get this right, I'm going to bring in my Stamparatus. Ooh, the magnets are so strong. Just put that down like so. And I'm just going to line this up just slightly towards the bottom, like that. And I'm just going to pick it up, like so. So, as you should know by now, I like to take my arm off to ink up my stamp, and this is just Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm just going to plump that back in and stamp it down like so. Quickly move that out of the way. And there you have today's card using the First Frost stamp set. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why don't you pop down into the description bar below. You can like, comment and subscribe, and why not press the little bell so you can be notified whenever I post a card or a video. While you're there, all the description of the products used is also there, as well as all the links to my social medias. Why not pop over and have a look what I've been making. Thank you, bye.